Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting immediate access. Make sure you have administrative rights and the target account password so you can read protected logs. Once done, open System Logging Utilities, Event Viewer on Windows or Console on Mac OS, and enable Unified Logging if it's off. Install small forensic-friendly tools like auto runs for startup items, a browser history viewer, and a log shipper. This prepares you to collect timestamps and provenance without altering original files, preserving useful history data for the next stage. Now perform targeted collection. Export system and application logs with full timestamps and preserve original file permissions. Extract browser profiles, cookies, download history, and recent files lists. On Windows, include shellbags and prefetch entries. Use a timeline tool to merge logs and correlate user sessions with network connections and process starts. As you analyze, focus on sequences. What started first? What opened a file? Because causality matters. Make sure to document every export path and note any gaps caused by log rotation or clearing. Finish by building a verified timeline and hashing all exported artifacts to prove integrity. Cross-check your timeline against backups, cloud sync logs, email headers, and router or gateway logs to fill contextual gaps. If expected entries are missing, consider common causes: deliberate clearing, log truncation, or rotation. Then recover shadow copies, restore points, or use file system carving tools to retrieve deleted records. One troubleshooting tip: when logs look wiped, check alternate sources like sync providers and network devices.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.